Looking for a powerful handheld vacuum that's lightweight and easy to use? The Shark WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum delivers strong cordless suction, making it perfect for cleaning crumbs, dust, pet hair, and everyday messes in seconds. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Shark WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum, Duster Crevice Tool, Multi-Surface Pet Tool, WANDVAC Charging Stand, WANDVAC Charging Base, and User Manual. How to use? Assemble the charging dock by attaching the stand to the base, routing the charger cord through the groove, and plugging it into a wall outlet. Fully charge the Shark WANDVAC before first use. To clean, press the power button and glide the nozzle over the surface. When finished, hold the vacuum over a trash bin and slide the dust cup release button forward to empty the debris. Maintenance. Turn off the vacuum before cleaning. Open the dust cup by sliding the release button forward, then empty the debris. Lightly tap the filter screen to remove dust. Wipe the bristles with a dry cloth and remove the filter housing by pinching both sides and sliding it forward. Lift out the fabric filter using the metal ring, clean it as needed, and hand wash the dust cup only with soap and water. Allow all parts to air dry completely before reassembling. Then slide the dust cup back onto the nozzle until it clicks securely into place. LED indicator. Smart features? The Shark WANDVAC delivers strong suction power in a lightweight design, quickly picking up dust, dirt, crumbs, and small debris from different surfaces. Built for easy handling, the compact cordless design allows you to clean tight spaces, furniture, vehicles, and everyday messes with minimal effort. The easy-to-use dust cup release lets you empty debris quickly without touching the collected dirt, making maintenance simple and hygienic. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the WANDVAC provides convenient cordless cleaning with reliable performance whenever needed. It includes useful attachments that help clean hard-to-reach areas, upholstery, and detailed surfaces for a more complete cleaning experience. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark WANDVAC cordless hand vacuum. See you at the next one.